Hi, I'm Arun Murugesan, Program Head for HCI UI UX at Bangalore School of Design. The program is designed specifically for working professionals who have a day job and who are aspiring to get into this UI UX industry. I have over 14 years of experience in the field. I have worked with large enterprises like SAP for 7 years. Then I consulted UX with Cisco for 2 years. I started my own UX agency called Detailed Design Studio and ran it successfully for more than 2 years, wherein which we worked very closely with a lot of startups like Flipkart. We designed their entire Hub Manager application. Currently, I'm working as a head of design in a fintech where I head creatives, UI UX, and also the user research. I'm a self-taught designer. Back then, 14 years, there were not many schools which taught design, especially UI and UX, and there were not many institutes who taught the same. It was very hard and a steep journey for me to learn on the job, and there were not many courses or mentors available for me to learn this faster. And this is what we wanted to teach at the school, and the program is exclusively designed in a way that within 6 months the students can understand what's happening in the industry, what's required to become a good professional UI UX designer. The program covers 4 fields: user research, interaction design, UI visual design, and usability testing. Under user research, we have faculties coming from the industry who are user researchers, teaching what does it take to understand the user needs, pain points, get some insights before even we start designing the application. Then we move on to learn how do we convert these insights and learnings from the research into actionable prototypes, low fidelity wireframes, and then we move on to learn how can we make this prototype looking good and functioning good with visuals. Then the last part, which is the most important part, which most of them is usability testing, wherein which we create prototypes, take it to the real users, understand how they are using it, learn it from there, and then improve the product before it goes live. This is what in the industry most of the UI UX designers do. Right from the starting, from understanding the user need and what does it takes to go live is what we cover in the entire program. The faculties are also working professionals in leading organizations. They are working as user researchers, UX designers, and they come here to share their passion of teaching and also their skill and knowledge in the industry so that our students can benefit from that. At the end of each module, we have a project wherein the students group together and work on a project which also becomes part of their portfolio. This is one of the most important pieces in the entire program, where we also get in other faculties or other experts in the industry to review the projects. This helps the students to connect with the industry experts and also get feedback on their project which they have worked on. All 4 fields have a project outcome, and that becomes part of their portfolio. This is also an important piece part of the program, where we work as groups, learn from the peers, also get feedback from the industry experts, which is quite missing in the online courses or videos you watch online. The program is for 6 months, carried on weekends, Saturday 4 hours and Sunday 4 hours. Part of the program, the students also learn tools like Adobe XD, Figma, which are used in the industry and are very essential for the design outcome. We don't get into the nitty-gritties of these tools. The reason being, you don't have to learn the tool for 2-3 months. The students learn the tools along the 6 months working on the projects. It's simple as this, where we don't teach a carpenter just to use a screwdriver for 2-3 months. He learns it while building the stool. The stool will depend who's going to sit on it. If it is a kid who's going to sit on the stool, the structure of the stool is going to definitely change, and if an elderly is going to sit on the stool, the structure is going to change. And this is what we intend to teach the students in the entire 6 months. More than the stool is more important for a designer to learn how to build it. At the end of the program, the students work on a project which is key to complete the program and also get a certification from Bangalore School of Design. At Bangalore School of Design, we train our students to get industry ready by having portfolio ready. They would have worked on multiple projects at the end of the program, and also have mock interviews which gives them a taste of what does a real interview happen in the industry. This gets them prepared very well before they start knocking on the doors for the UI UX opportunities. We look forward for you to be part of the upcoming program.